Hey there! Welcome back to our channel! Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. We'll be diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring two incredible new AI tools for image generation and converting images to videos. But before we jump into that, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech discoveries and tutorials. Please visit the Lenso.ai website for your first visit. You can find the link in the video description. Create a free account using your Gmail email address. As of now, this website is offering its services for free. Lensgo offers two main features, image generation and video animation. Let's begin by generating an image. To generate an image, click on the Create Image button. Next, select an image model, such as animation or game style. Choose the image dimensions, and then select the number of images you wish to generate. Set the text guidance scale to 7 or 8. Finally, type in your prompt and click on the Start button. Wait for the results to be generated. The variety and quality of images produced by Lensgo are indeed remarkable, showcasing a diverse range of styles and themes. The platform's ability to generate captivating visuals consistently adds a remarkable dimension to creative projects and ideas. To animate videos, click on the Animate Videos button, select an animation model, set the image dimensions, choose the desired video length, and adjust the camera movement. Upload a video clip that's 10 seconds or less, then enter your prompt. Finally, click on the Start button and await the results. Here are the final results before and after. Is it a cool feature? Yes, absolutely, especially since it's currently free. Please show your support by liking and sharing the video. You